Hi, I'm Meggan Jacks, a Creative Memories advisor from Washington State. I'm excited to be sharing with you the new mid-January products from Creative Memories. There are 2 new decorative collections, a new border punch, and there's a fantastic new addition to the storage lineup that is sure to help you and your customers get organized. So let's take a closer look. The Art Nouveau Collection features a 12 by 12 album in this rich, warm mustard book cloth. There is golden foil detailing on the cover. It has these wonderful little white flowers as well. This would make a beautiful family album. The designer papers capture the artistic elements of the Art Nouveau movement beautifully. I love the combination of botanicals and line art. They're beautiful deep teals and golden yellows. The opposite side of the papers feature these beautiful tonal patterns in earthy, warm, rich colors. These papers are going to make beautiful pages. The stickers are a lot of fun. We have a whole page of sayings that you can use. Things like, home is not a place, it's a feeling. This is a hexagonal shaped sticker. You'll be able to pair this with the custom cutting system if you want to make a little mat to go around your sticker. My favorite sticker says, peace and quiet. There's a sheet of botanical and artistic or architectural details that you can add. And 3 pairs of stickers, of border stickers. Those will be a lot of fun to play with. There's also an embellishment pack. We have these beautiful laser cut embellishments, some nice blend of botanicals, and some architectural details. This is whiplash line art, which is iconic of the Art Nouveau era. And there's also these fun pearl stickers that you'll be able to add as accents to your pages. This is definitely a collection you don't want to miss. The Love Win Collections features the 12 by 12 Sweet Pea cover set with a silver foil design, this fun tic-tac-toe pattern. This is going to make a great love story album to showcase date nights, engagement photos, and anniversary celebrations. The 12 by 12 designer paper is a heart-filled whimsical mix of patterns. One side has beautiful tonal pinks and deep reds. The other side features neutral greens with some black and tans in there to add some depth and dimension to the patterns. The heartwarming theme continues with 3 sheets of stickers. Love Wins includes laser cut paper as well. There's 3 designs, 2 of which are double-sided. There's a square frame that is black and tan on one side and neutral tan on the other. A heart, which is pink on one side and green on the other. And my favorite of the laser cut papers is this love design. This was so easy. I just added 2 4x6s to the page. And you will see here, I did add a little bit of detail with a new border punch. The heart-to-heart border punch will add the perfect touch to all of your lovely layouts. The Stash and Store binder and fill and file sleeves are a must-have for anyone who's like me trying to get organized in the new year. The binder comes with 3 of the fill and file sleeves, 1 of each style. There's a 12 by 12, the 5.5 by 5.5, and the 2.5 by 12 inch horizontal pockets. So let's take a look inside. When you open it up, on the left-hand side, you'll see there is a small pocket. I've gone ahead and tucked in a catalog. If you love recipe templates, you're going to love the 12-inch sleeves. They are double-sided. There's a pocket on each side, so it means you can store your recipe templates without them getting tangled. I've used a 12 by 12 to also store something like a theme pack. Fits in there just perfect with the papers and the stickers tucked in behind. My sketchbooklets all here ready for me to grab when I need some inspiration. Here I have some projects that I've started working on, things I've punched. I've gone ahead and tucked them away here to keep them safe while they wait to be used. Project recipes I need to finish. Project recipes I need to start. Pages that I've finished. Then we're going to jump into the 5.5 by 5.5 inch pockets. This is a great, just general purpose size. I have some card fronts that I've gone ahead and made. I've got some adhesives. Another little project that I started a while ago, tucked it away so it's nice and safe until I'm ready to use it. These size of pages are perfect to store embellishments, the pockets here. So my summer embellishments were overflowing. So here I've got them separated out. I can see what I've got going. I went ahead and I left some of them in the little retail packaging baggie and just tucked that in there. The little laser cut words, I love these, but they are definitely a challenge to keep putting back inside the little retail baggies. So I've gone ahead, I've pulled them out. I kept the retail cardboard pieces, and I went ahead and I cut it off at 5 inches, leaving the top flap that has the name of the from the collection. I keep them all still here. After I'm done looking through them, fold it back down, and I'm able to easily slide it right down into that pocket. This is what I love about this binder with the sleeves. This is kind of my Christmas set so far. I have overflowing with Christmas things. So I have probably 4 or 5 or more different sets of embellishments. I've gone ahead and sorted them out. I have a little pocket here that has all of the embellishments that have titles, larger decorative embellishments, smaller decorative embellishments. And then over here would be embellishments is the greenery, the flowers, the berries, the leaves, the trees. And then we get into the 2.5 inch by 12. And these are perfect, as you can imagine, for borders. So I've got some borders that I've made that I haven't used yet on a project. I can just tuck those down inside. Up here, you'll see these are borders that I've punched that either are Christmas colors, they have winter themed. And then here you'll see laser cut borders. So we all love laser cut borders. They are so much fun, beautiful detail. They come in the retail packaging, which is nice, but they can be a challenge to get in and out of the retail packaging. These horizontal 2.5 inch pockets, the sleeve is just wonderful. They're easy to take out, to look through them. You can see what you want to use. And then they just tuck in super easy back into the sleeve. And then they are good to go. I've got some other borders that I've started. Maybe I've testing out the new punch. I've punched out several in different colors. I just tuck them away there to use later. I cut off the name of the borders here from the retail packaging, tuck it in with there so I remember that those are from Beneath the Pines. Borders that I've started. Halloween borders. I went ahead and sliced down my stickers so that I could tuck those borders in there so I can just remember, what do I have going on for Halloween? From a collection. This was from Picture This. And I went ahead and I just pulled off the slices from the decorative papers that were borders, the stickers. If you have a border class or you've attended a border class and you want to just kind of tuck away all those borders you've made, you can at a glance see what you've made, what you have to use on your pages. It's a great way to store, to showcase new borders. So I've punched the 2 new borders that came out just recently, and I've got them here ready to go. I can easily see what they look like. Different things I've made with new collections, having just a good time playing, got a great spot to store them, super easy to flip through and see what I've got going. And I've got room to add some more. So I have about 2 inches worth of height going on here. And I'm able to close this really easy with the zipper. I found that if I come up to my second knuckle, that is about 2 inches. So it's easy for me to come into the side and I can see over here, I've got a little bit of room to grow. I can come to the top here. I'm right at about that 2 inches there. So I've still got a good spot to go. I can close it, pull that zipper all the way around, and I am all set to go.